In this table, we need to fill in the gaps, determining whether sine, cos, and tan is going to be positive or negative for each of these angles. We're told that for 30 degrees, sine is positive, cos is positive, and tan is positive, and the acute angle to the x-axis is 30 degrees. 300 degrees, the acute angle is 60 degrees, that is the angle up to the x-axis. And if we think about our unit circle here, 300 degrees is here. The acute angle is this angle here, which is 60 degrees. Given that we're in this quadrant here, sine is going to be negative, cos is going to be positive, and tan is going to be negative. 217 degrees is going to be somewhere around here. And the acute angle is going to be that angle there, the acute angle to the x-axis. That's going from 180 to 217. That is 37 degrees. Given that we're in quadrant 3, sine is going to be negative, cos is going to be negative, and tan is going to be positive. 91 degrees is coming up here, with this angle here being 91, which means that the acute angle is this angle here, is 89 degrees. Given that we're in quadrant 2, sine is going to be positive, cos is going to be negative, and tan is going to be negative. And can we come up with some other angles that would satisfy these conditions? Sine is positive, cos is negative, tan is negative. That means we are somewhere in this quadrant here, which means any value from 91 degrees up to 179 degrees would work. Sine is negative, cos is positive, tan is negative. It means we're in this quadrant here where cos is positive, which means any angle from 271 degrees up to 359 degrees would work. Finally, if tan is positive, we are either in this quadrant here or this quadrant here. Let's use different colors to represent these. If we're in quadrant 1, then sine and cosine will both be positive, and the angle will be somewhere from 1 degree up to 89 degrees. If we're in quadrant 3, then sine and cosine will both be negative, and it will be somewhere from 181 degrees up to 269 degrees.